Hello, my name is Diane. I am a health science major and a neuroscience minor at Chapman University. In this video, I will be talking about a neuromyth, which is a myth about neuroscience that people are unsure of whether or not to believe. Through scientific evidence and past research, I will be trying to debunk or prove a common myth about neuroscience. Well, I hope you enjoy. Sally is a college student who's a STEM major taking her major courses this year: organic chemistry, molecular biology, physics, you name it. She not only takes so many classes, but she's also part of a student government, plays Division 1 tennis for her school, and is in a sorority and has to attend multiple events throughout the year. Clearly, Sally is a busy student. With so much going on, she states that she is used to the load and that she really is used to doing so many things at once to save herself some time and to move on to the next thing more quickly. While some may say that it's truly commendable how Sally is able to juggle so much, others may think it's ineffective and absolutely impossible to do so many things at once. So here's the myth. Does multitasking work? Well, let's take a look. So, how does multitasking affect our learning? How does it affect our memory? A 2000 study by Nave Benjamin and his colleagues showed what multitasking meant for learning. The author explained how there are major differences between encoding and retrieval activities involved in processing information created through multitasking. The three main memory stages are encoding, storage, and retrieval. Basically, encoding is the stage when we first learn the material. Storage is when we literally store that fresh information into our brain. Retrieval is when you recall and remember the information you'd stored. Going back to that same study, these scientists showed that encoding requires more attention than retrieval, and that divided attention during the encoding phase of learning reduced memory tremendously. Because the first memory stage is to encode that information, we can assume that quantity and quality of our memory is highly impacted by multitasking. A different study showed that during multitasking, a structure known as a striatum is used. This part of the brain is a region of the brain that is not very well at dealing with long-term memory and comprehension. In fact, it's functionally more known for planning, decision-making, and reinforcement. When choosing to learn instead of multitasking, a different part of the brain, known as the hippocampus, is activated. This part of the brain is functionally known for sorting, recalling, and processing new information, and is very important for memorizing facts or events. Basically, not multitasking activates the appropriate part of the brain to memorize and understand information. So, does multitasking work? The answer is no, because it doesn't work for effective learning. To maintain and assist with better long-term memory, it's best to be doing a single task at a single time. Additionally, it is preferable to practice spaced learning and active learning in order to truly retain information over a longer period of time. Sleep, exercise, and nutrition also play a great factor into memory. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.